What up, guys? What up, guys? I got myself a new hose reel. I'm sick and tired of all these shitty Costco hoses here. I don't know how many times I've returned these and how many times I've bought new ones of these. These both have blown holes through them. They literally last like 2-3 months and then they're done. And then good old Princess Auto sprayer, the $10 sprayer, did break this year as well. But this was on special at Canadian Tire. One of these retracting reels by a Gardena. It is the 100-foot half-inch hose, which works for me because I do have a ton of water pressure here, so it's nice to kind of lower it a little bit. But now I've just used the Costco hose now as the leader, quick connect right into the reel, and I put it right onto the corner on the 4x4. The mount is a little bit bigger than a 4x4. You probably could get it on there, but I did add a little bracing. It is plastic, but it doesn't seem like it's very cheap plastic. It seems like it's super high quality, but it's super nice so far. I haven't used it a ton, but it did come with 3 extra connectors, so you have one for, I used one right there at the leader, and then you can use 2 others for different accessories. It came with this little I call these the fireman hoses, and then I just purchased this one as well. And I did see online that some people are saying that you can't use aftermarket connectors in this. That's not the truth. This does connect just fine, obviously one-handed, but that connects just fine. And then I tried another aftermarket one here, which I think this is just like a dollar store one, and again, it connects fine in there. Can I do it with one hand? There we go. Which is awesome. But this kit right here from the Canadian Tire included that little corner piece, little corner rail, which is actually kind of handy because my garden is over there, so I do have this wall here kind of, and the deck. I didn't want to have the hose running across the deck, right? So I thought put that there. It kind of directs it that way a little bit. But yeah, overall, I haven't used it much. 5-year warranty. It's super nice. I needed the whole 100 feet because my property is over 100 feet long. Here are my peach trees, the apple trees over here. You see that one right there is actually flowering off a ton. There, that's not all the way out, but I didn't bring an end on it, but be able to water the apple trees now. And then just to bring it back in, all you gotta do is just give it a little tug. Give it a... It's a little bit hard, I guess, when you're out here. There we go. I was tugging it too much. I'll just let it go. It definitely goes faster than I can walk. I don't know if I suggest just letting it go, but bing, bang, boom. Freaking mint. Yeah, Gardena, 100-foot, half-inch hose reel, the retractable. Pretty good deal. I think it was $229 at Canadian Tire. Oh, another thing too I wanted to add is a lot of the hose link ones people have just in a pole. You can put like a 1-inch pole somewhere in the middle of your yard. I think you can do similar with these ones as well. It is just a single, it looks like you'd be able to put this into a pole. So if you wanted to put like a pole in the middle of your yard and have full 360 motion, not just the 180 motion like it has now, you'd be able to do full 360 on the pole. So that's one thing I did see on Reddit and stuff too. So different options, looking nice. I'm excited to finally have a nice hose and not these shitty ones anymore. But peace, love, and cheers.